Hi everyone, it's Kieran here at Magical Traveler. Hope you're having a great day. And today I thought I would just give you a quick little look around our incredible room here at the St. Regis in Shanghai. Now, we've been staying in this hotel for 2 nights as we are about to board then Spectrum of the Seas for a 4-night sailing to Japan. But I just want to give you a little look around this incredible room. And honestly, like as you're walking here, look at this incredible mirror and kind of dresser unit. Absolutely lovely. And there are so many thoughtful details everywhere as well. Every drawer you open, there's more stuff in there. Obviously not that one, which is annoying that I picked that one. But you got your hairdryer here. But just to quickly show you the wardrobe, you do have a wardrobe over here, which, like I said, the thoughtful touches. You've got a jewelry drawer for all your jewelry. There is a safe in this one, slippers, ironing board, shoe shine. Like honestly, anything you could need. Pillows, cushions for the chaise longue, which I'll show you in a second. It does have butler service as well, so just ring for reception if you need anything, and they're very amenable. But just want to show you a bit of a spoiler of what's down there. That's kind of the highlight of this room, if I can just get it to show you a little bit better. But before we go there, I just want to take you here into what has been one of my other favorite highlights, has been this bathroom. So when we got off our overnight flight, I was a little bit jet lagged, so it was quite lovely to be in that bath and just look out and see the incredible view then as well of Shanghai from my bedroom. So that has been lovely. And then just to show you the wash unit, again, really thoughtful. There's a really well-stocked amenity drawer there with like toothpaste, toiletries, bath salts, comb, toothbrushes. It's just been great. Water, there's water everywhere. You can't drink the water in China from the tap, so bottled water is a must. And there's bottles of water everywhere. Like I've lost count. Every time I turn around, there's a new bottle of water I'm finding. But a towel drawer, honestly, really lovely type of thing. And then what I've enjoyed as well, this is a bit of another one of the surprises when you're a bit jet lagged and you stumble upon it. It has a Japanese style toilet as well. This was my first time using one of these with a bidet feature, seat warmer, an air dryer. Like, lovely, absolutely lovely. So that's really great. And just look how stunning as well, like the marble everywhere. It's a really lovely bathroom as well. And then into the bed. Like I say, I have been staying in this room for 2 nights. It hasn't been turned around, so I've made the bed. So forgive my really bad bed making skills. But just show you as well this incredible king bed. It's lovely. You've got a pillow menu in this drawer as well. So just ring your butler or a reception, and they can bring out whether you want a thermal pillow or a feather pillow or a natural pillow. You've got that option there as well, but I found the pillows lovely and I've slept incredibly well. Controls, there's a lot of options for how you want to customize the room as well. So if you want to kind of turn on all lights, bedside lights, underbed lights, reading lights, honestly, USB chargers there as well. In-room dining's available. I haven't turned the TV on because we've not really been in the room long enough to enjoy it. But there's a lovely TV there as well if you want to take advantage of it. An espresso machine, which I have used, and there is a drawer here with your coffee. And again, if you need a replenishment, just ring your butler or room service and they can sort that out for you. But again, your teas, we are in China obviously as well, so tea is a big deal as well. So that's been great to have that in there. You've got glassware here, so you can, there is an in-room bar, a mini bar. I haven't had mine filled up and I've not bothered to solve that problem. Just because, again, we are being out and about every evening enjoying ourselves. But there is a mini bar there, which some people have had stocked, but you do need to put your card on your room if you want that. And then again, forgive the bins. I have done some shopping while I'm here as well. But again, you've got a desk here as well, which has been lovely. So again, stationery kits in there, which I think this is a lovely touch as well, to have a full featured stationery kit available for you if you do need to do work in the room. Honestly, like it's just such a great room. So that's just working there would be a dream. But then this is the absolute highlight, this view. And coming to this view at night as well, when you come into your room, is just stunning. So seeing beautiful Shanghai. And obviously you can face different sides. Obviously they're paid more to be on a better side. But this view is just incredible. And I've loved just sitting here in bed, watching the lights twinkling at night. And again, you've got a little chaise longue there as well. And on this bedside, there's the TV remote, which, you know, how incredible. Oh my God, wow. Okay, I didn't even spot that. That's all the TV channels. Just so many TV channels. A lot of Chinese TV. I can't spot a Western TV channel on there, but I wouldn't expect that, to be honest, within China. National Geographic, maybe in Star Sports, possibly. But anyway, I digress. But there's your TV remote. There's an alarm clock on the sides here. And then these are the controls on this side of the bed as well. And then that there is going to be the controls for the blinds as well. So if you wanted to turn the blinds up or down, that's how you would do that for you as well. So you can do that from bedside and just kind of lay in bed and open those blinds to see that incredible view. But yeah, guys, oh, there's a kettle as well, obviously. Tea making facilities, that's great. And then the lights, it's confused a few people, but the light switch for the bathroom are here. just to kind of go through here. And if you're worried about privacy, these doors do close. So you have sliding doors here and doors on the side as well. But guys, I just thought I'd give you a quick little look around this incredible room because we've been very fortunate to stay here for 2 days. But we're about to board Spectrum of the Seas for a 4-night sailing going over to Japan. Obviously, you can use this hotel as a fantastic base as well for Shanghai Disney as well, which is a really popular one with our customers to kind of come to Shanghai, visit Shanghai Disney, possibly pair that on then with either going to Hong Kong and doing Hong Kong Disneyland or joining that and doing one of the cruises as well here with Royal Caribbean. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. And if you are interested in learning more, give us a follow. We're always sharing room tours, cabin tours of all the cruise ships we go on. And we'll definitely be sharing a cabin tour from Spectrum of the Seas, which I'm literally on my way to go join now. So all the best, guys. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.